Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Israel's nationhood. The journey to Israel's establishment as a modern state involved significant international decisions. The United Nations played a crucial role by adopting a resolution that outlined a partition plan for the region. This plan aimed to create independent Arab and Jewish states, reflecting the complex demographics and historical claims. The conclusion of the British Mandate for Palestine was a pivotal moment, setting the stage for the Declaration of Independence. Following the end of the British Mandate, the Provisional State Council of Israel convened. On May 14, 1948, David Ben-Gurion, who would become Israel's first prime minister, formally read the Declaration of the Establishment of the State of Israel. This historic moment officially proclaimed the creation of the State of Israel, fulfilling a long-held aspiration. The declaration was a testament to the determination of its people to establish a sovereign nation. The newly declared State of Israel swiftly received international recognition. The United States was among the first nations to acknowledge its sovereignty, with President Harry S. Truman extending de facto recognition just minutes after the declaration. The Soviet Union followed shortly thereafter, granting de jure recognition. This early support from major global powers was vital for the nascent state, paving the way for broader international acceptance and its eventual admission to the United Nations. Since its establishment, Israel has grown into a dynamic and innovative nation. It has built a robust economy, becoming a leader in technology and various other sectors. The country also boasts a rich and diverse culture, blending ancient traditions with modern influences. Its democratic institutions have matured, navigating complex regional challenges while fostering a vibrant society. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.